Hi everybody, today I will show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. So let's begin. First, open the WhatsApp application. Now, open the WhatsApp chat where you want to pin a message. Find the message that you want to pin, then long press on the message until it gets selected. And you see a toolbar appears at the top. Simply click on the three-dotted icon in the top right and click Pin option. WhatsApp will then ask you how long you want to keep it pinned. You can choose 24 hours, 7 days or 30 days. Tap whichever one works best for you and click Pin. Once it's pinned, the message will appear at the top of the chat with a pin icon next to it, so it's always easy to find no matter how far back it was in the conversation. Now you can pin up to 3 messages in a single chat, so if you need to pin another one, just repeat the same process. And if you ever want to unpin a message, long press on the pinned message at the top of the chat and tap the Unpin icon. So that's how you pin a message on WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.